back to my channel. So wait, hold on, do I have lipstick on my teeth? So we all know Sephora only has a sale twice a year, so I purchased a couple of things during their Sephora VIB sale, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. I did not do like a try-on type of haul only because I didn't purchase a full face, meaning all face, lashes, eyes, and all of that. I just purchased a couple of things, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys here. I just want to say, any of you babes that are watching and you are looking for like the perfect, easy, going out type of look without a lot of work on the eyeshadow, without applying lashes, because we all know applying lashes is a pain in the ass. So if you guys want to see that look, let me know, because it's literally what I'm wearing. I don't have any lashes or anything on, and I literally did absolutely nothing on my lid, and it actually looked really nice. So enough of me rambling, let's jump right into the video. So like I said, I didn't really purchase a lot of things, but the first thing that I did buy is a primer. And I just want to say, I saw Nikki Tutorials talk about this, and I was honestly really like, this is probably super duper gimmicky, but let me go in and try it myself. So I actually went into Sephora and I tried this out on the back of my hand, and this is the First Solly Skin Tune Blurring, I guess this is a primer, face primer type of serum, and this is the blue one. This is not the gold elixir. I bought the small size because I really wanted to try it out on my face before actually going out and purchasing the bigger size. And I just want to say, I did try this on the back of my hand, and I was surprised that it actually just like blur out my skin and actually make it feel really nice. And you can kind of see it's a white type of serum, so you just kind of put a drop on and then smooth it over wherever you want that kind of blurring effect to be on. And I mean, you can't really see it on camera, but it really does smooth out and blur out that skin where I do have the primer on. So I would definitely say try this out before purchasing, because I know it is expensive. I did buy another primer, and I just want to kick myself because I feel like I just wasted like $22 when I should have just bought in the full size. So this is the mini version of the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I bought the full size of this and I absolutely love it. The full size is like $54. I saw this for like $22, and I'm like, okay, this is probably a good decent size, and it is. But in all honesty, I already know that I love this primer. I should have just purchased the bigger size since I was getting like 15% off. But this is the 7 gram, which is 0.24 fluid ounces, and this is what this looks like. I will just say I'm a little disappointed because when I opened it up, it didn't come with a little spatula. I mean, granted, I don't really use the spatula, but Tatcha is expensive. I want my spatula. I did purchase one concealer, and this is actually a repurchase, and this is the Jouer High Essential Full Coverage Concealer. I love this concealer. I am personally in the shade Dulce de Leche. This is a very full coverage concealer. It is a little thick, but I tell you, like, a little bit goes a very long way, and you really don't need to use a lot. And I absolutely love the packaging. So this is what this looks like, and if you are interested, you do get 0.139 fluid ounces, and it comes with a standard doe foot applicator. You guys have been watching me for a while. You guys know I love Jouer Cosmetics. I am always using their products. I am always tagging them up on Instagram, and when I saw that they came out with this, I was like, I need to have it in my life, or else I'm gonna die. So this is the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. The shade that I got is in the shade Tan Bronze, and the packaging of this is absolutely beautiful. If you know anything about Jouer, you guys know that their brand is all about everything being really like rich and sophisticated, but really classy, and the whole packaging of this just screams classy and sophisticated. You guys know that's the kind of stuff that I absolutely live for. So this is what the color looks like if you are interested. Let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. With these lights, I don't even know if you'll be able to see the color, but I do have it on my face, and I use it to set the rest of my face. I love this powder. It's super silky and smooth. It literally makes it like you have a filter all over your face. I have 1, 2, 3 products from Fenty Beauty, and I just want to say I have never purchased anything from Fenty just because I tried out the foundation and I didn't like it. And when I say I tried it, I just went in the store, I put it on the back of my hand. For some reason, it was just, I didn't vibe with it, so I just never purchased anything from them. But when they came out with their new bronzers, I was like, oh hell to the no, I need to try this, and that's exactly what I purchased. So this is their new Fenty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. The shade that I got is Island Things, and again, the packaging is to die for. It's literally all like rose gold and mirrored, like, oh, it's a little dirty because I have used it, but I mean, the packaging is absolutely stunning, and it's all the way at the back. Again, this is in the shade Island Things, and this is what this shade looks like. I have this on my face. It's absolutely beautiful. It blends really nice. It's nice and silky. It's really, really pigmented, but not too pigmented to the point where like you have to be super duper careful. But this is a great bronzer for our skin tone if you are mine. Just for reference, I am MAC NC45 if you are interested. The second thing that I bought from Fenty is their new setting powder. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. The shade that I got is Banana, and again, the packaging is absolutely stunning, super duper luxurious. Like, it's just so pretty. I love it. It is a little bit bulky, but honestly, I don't really care. So this is what the shade Banana kind of looks like. What I really appreciate about this powder is when you put it on, it's literally like a filter over your under eyes. It doesn't make it look dark or ashy. The color of this is absolutely perfect for our skin tone, and it's not like stark white, because some banana shades from brands can actually look really, really stark white under our eyes and end up just looking really, really ashy, but this does not do that. I will say, if you are interested in buying this powder, just bite the bullet and buy it. I know it is expensive, but buy this powder. I will also say that this does have a little bit of a fragrance. It's not as strong as like the Huda Beauty baking powder, but this does also have a fragrance. Last thing I bought from Fenty is this little kit, and this is the Bombay Mini Lip and Face Kit. And I just want to say, I have never ever tried any of Fenty Beauty's highlighters, and the one that comes in here is so beautiful. So this is like the mini one, obviously, and this is in the shade Hustler Baby, and this is what I have on right now. And I just want to say, this is giving Ofra Cosmetics Glow Goals a run for its money. This is so pretty. I am so happy that I tried the mini one so I can really get a feel of the highlighter. I know it's not chunky. I know it doesn't take a long time to build up, and I know for a fact that when I buy the full size of this, it's going to be worth the price. The second thing that comes in the kit is their lip gloss. This is their infamous lip gloss. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. This is their Gloss Bomb. This is such a beautiful shade for every single person. Like, it's just that perfect nude lipstick. Not lipstick, lip gloss. And let me just put this on. I don't even know how this will look on top of this, but just so you guys can see what I mean. Like, it's so glossy without being clumpy or heavy or like gloopy on your lips. The last thing that I did purchase is this little mini trio set from Pat McGrath. I just want to say, I know these packaging comes with like the little funfetti gold things. I hate them. I absolutely hate it, only because it's so messy, but I totally get it. It's like the aesthetic and it's like her signature, but it's just so messy. But anyways, this is their mini matte trans. This is in the shade Skin Show Trio. So again, it does come with 3 matte lipsticks. And again, the packaging of these are just to die for. Like, I just want to show you guys, the actual lipstick looks like this. Like, I don't even know how to describe this. Like, how do you describe this? It's like frosty, but it's not frosty, but it's like matte. I don't know. But I'm just going to swatch this for you guys. This is in the shade 1995. Ugh. The formula of this is just to die for. That's $19.95. Again, this is specifically a nude trio. The second one that we have is in the shade Flesh 33. Let me swatch this while I'm showing you guys. And then the last shade that we have is Omi, O-M-I. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is what this looks like. I guess I'll just swatch it at the bottom here. Like, can you tell? Like, I don't have to like work with the product to get it to warm up, to get the pigmented to come out like I do have to with some other brands. I won't say the name, but these are absolutely beautiful. I will say they are worth the price. I know they do come with a very, very hefty price tag. You can buy some others for like 20 bucks without paying like more, but it's Pat McGrath. I think it's worth it. So that's basically all that I purchased, and I will say I did use a couple of my points to get some free samples, and the first thing that I did get is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I have been hearing so many things about this brow gel, so I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna go and buy it. If I can use my points and kind of test it out for myself, I'm going to do that. So this is what the little mini size comes in. This is how many ounces do you get? You get 0.085 fluid ounces. I have used it today. I don't know how I feel about it, but it definitely did hold my brows in place. So I will keep testing this out and letting you guys know if it's worth you spending your hard-earned money on. And then the last thing that I got is a blush sample, and you see I have these like little Pat McGrath things like everywhere. Ugh. So this is a little bit of a sample of the Buxom blushes. These are their Wanderlust Primer Infused blushes. These two shades that they gave me were Dolly and Mykonos, and I was so interested. I was like, how do you give samples of blushes without it being in like an actual like packaging? But if you just pull like the first little sleeve here, you can actually really like test out and use the blush. It's actual pigment there. So this is the end of my Sephora haul. If there is anything that you guys purchase or you guys want me to purchase, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely do so. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!